Hey guys, in this video we are gonna make something like this. We'll go blend two images into one photo. See, you can take a look at this right here. Okay, quick up, you need to open up Unsplash and download two images and just open them in Photoshop. I've downloaded this one and this one right here. You can take a look at the link or just type the link in your browser and just open up these two photos file. Just open it from here. Okay, hold Control and open, so these two photos will open up. Let me do that for you. I'll select no, I'll open. Yeah, this both. So we are going to blend two images into one. We can do this using the brush tool. So unlock this layer first off and unlock this layer also. Press Ctrl 0 to resize it. Ctrl 0. Yep. We are gonna drag this image into this one. Okay, the second image into this one. Yep, just unlock the layer and or you can go to edit, copy and edit, paste right here. Dragging is best. I'll place it right here. Yeah, right here. Just press Ctrl T and resize the image like this and just press the tick mark above or just press enter. Now you have two layers. Wait, this is not aligned properly. Let me resize it a bit. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, so you have two layers, layer 1 and layer 0 and layer 1. Okay, rename it. I'll type this as before and after. So here you need to add layer mask for a image first off. Just click on this icon right here. It says add a new layer mask. Now layer mask is added to the after layer, okay, which is the first layer above right here. Okay, layer mask is added to this thing. So press B or select your brush tool right here, this thing, and here are the colors. This is white and this is black. You can change it by pressing this arrow mark, or you can press X also in your keyboard to change it, or press D to get back to the color. If you press D, wait, let me show you. If you press D, it changes to the default color, which is black and white. Just press this arrow mark or just press X and select your brush tool and see, just drag it here. Okay, just drag it here. See this before and after transformation of a room or something like that. See, you can do this. Now hardness is set to 0 here. Hardness is 0. If hardness is set to 100%, I'll show you what happened. Go to edit and undo brush or press Ctrl Z. Let me press Ctrl Z. Yeah. Shit, wait. Yeah, if you increase the hardness, it looks something like this. This is not good. It doesn't have a fade. See, this is not good at all. Fading is good than this one. So decrease your hardness and just do this, blend two images. Now for your class project, just open up Unsplash, download two images and blend the images into one, and you can even upload it in the discussion section of Skillshare. Okay, just do that. And this is it for the video. This is how easy it is to blend the image into one. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.